the simple experiment of soil mechanics, which is determination of moisture content of soil. Okay, it is very simple experiment. Then this experiment, details of this experiment is given in IS code, which is 2720 part 2, which is determination of water content of soil sample. Then the content of this presentation are we will try to learn the importance of moisture content. Then there are different methods of determination of moisture content. We will learn that. Then what is the procedure to determine the moisture content of soil, and then how to calculate the moisture content. For that we also try to understand the calculations. Then moisture content is the index properties which is used to correlate the soil behavior, and basically it is the ratio of weight of water to the weight of soil solid means the dry form of the soil. Then the natural of moisture content is very essential, important to understand the soil behavior, soil consistency. It gives the fair idea about the state of soil in the field. Okay, this is regarding the moisture content. Now there are different methods to calculate the moisture content of soil, and these methods are oven drying method, second one is torsion balance method, third one is pycnometer method, fourth one is sand bath method, alcohol method, calcium carbide method, and last one is radiation method. So out of that we'll try to understand first method, which is oven drying method. So for this oven drying method we require the apparatus, which are, first one is container, which is basically required in non-corrodable form and airtight. Second one is balance, so which is used to measure the weight of soil in different state, and which should have the accuracy of 0.0% of the weight of the soil taken for the test. Third one is oven is required to to measure the water content of the soil sample, and that should have the facility to maintain the temperature of 110 degrees Celsius plus minus 5 degree variation. And fourth one is desiccator, which is used to keep the soil sample in a pot, which is in which the temperature can be maintained, okay, by using some desiccating agent. Now in this oven drying method, this method is supposed as the most accurate method to calculate the moisture content. Then IS code for oven drying method is IS 2720 part 2. Then sample in this oven drying method, sample is taken in non-corrodable container. Then the quantity or the required the mass of sample is based on the particle size of the soils. So IS 2720 has given the guideline regarding the minimum required quantity for the water content determination with respect to different sizes of soil specimen. For example, for 10 mm ISU, which is the soil having passing more than 90% passing percentage of 10 mm ISU, that soil requires around 300 grams of soil sample to determine its water content. Okay, now there is a thumb rule which shows that if this soil sample is drier, then greater quantity is required to calculate its moisture content and the water content should be desiccated. Water content should be the soil sample which is used to calculate the water content should be discarded, should not be used for any other test. Okay, now for the performing the water content determination, first one, the procedure shows we have to clean the container with the lid, and we have to take its dry weight as a W1. Second, we have to take the required quantity of soil specimen, and if the soil sample is in lump form, we have to crumble it and then place it loosely in the container. Okay, and take the weight of the container with lid with the moist soil sample, which is W2. Okay, then we have to keep this soil sample which is in weight form with the container and lid in the oven at a degree of 1110 degree Celsius plus minus 5 degree Celsius variation. Okay, and we have to keep this soil sample with container and in the oven for 24 hours. Okay, then after that, after 24 hours, we have to take the mass of container with lid with dry soil specimen. Okay, after taking this W1, W2 and W3, the water content can be calculated by using this formula. Okay, the formula shows W, small w is the water content in percentage, W2 minus W3 upon W3 minus W1. Okay, so one by one we'll understand what is W2, W3, and W1. W is the water content of soil sample in percentage. W2 is the mass of container with lid with wet soil. Okay, and W3 is the mass of container with lid with the dry soil in gram. And W1 is the empty weight of the empty mass of the container with the lid. Okay, in the gram. So as per IS code has given the systematic format to calculate the water content of soil specimen. For example, this row shows the container number, then mass of container with wet soil W2, then mass of container with dry soil is W3, mass of container with lid which is in empty form is W1. Okay, so dry mass of soil is calculated by using the difference between W3 and W1, and mass of moisture is W2 minus W3. So by using this formula, we can calculate the percentage of water which is present in